everyone, and welcome back to the course with all you need to know to become profitable with stocks. So in this video, it's going to be a little bit shorter video, but a really good video, because we're going to be looking at what are candlesticks and how do they really work. And not only as in theory, but also how you see it on trading view, okay? So the first thing we're going to do here is to go over to the flip chart. Because now we're going to be looking at, there's two types of candles, right? So write this down. We have the green ones. These are usually the colors, right? And they look like this. And they can have any shapes or form, right? This middle part, the body it's called. This here is called the body. So body, and these here are called wicks, okay? That's just the lingo which you are learning. And the body could be very small. It could look any way, right? It could look like this, right? A very small body like that. Or there could be no wicks. It could just be a full body. And we're going to explore what this means today. So the green one means that it opens, yes, at the lowest point of the body. That's the open price. And the top of it is the closing price. Remember, we're looking at every candle is 1 day. And then you have the highest point of the day, and then you have the lowest point of the day, okay? So let's just imagine this, that the open price, it opened at $8, went all the way down, the sellers pushed it down to $7, it went all the way up to $10, all the way up to $12, and then closed at $10 for the day. And then the next day, it might pick up there, it opens at $10, then maybe it goes higher or lower. So those are the green candles. That's how they work. They open lower and close higher. And that's where they're green. The bullish or the buyers won the day. Very exciting. But then we have the second candle as well. And this second candle is just really the same, right? But it's red. Okay, red is the color for blood, right? The markets are going down. But it's very similar, right? You have the highest point, you have the lowest point, there you go, and then you have the open is actually higher, you guessed it, right? And the closing price is lower, all right? Does that make sense? So then it opens higher, it goes all the way up here, and then all the way down there to then close over here. Does that make sense? So we're going to look at that a little bit closer. But what you will see on trading view is that you have a couple of things here. You have, it says all the way up in the left corner, it says O, it says H, L, C. So when you hover, you hold your mouse on a specific candle, it's going to show you here what is the open price, what is the high, what is the low, what is the closing price. It will be an easy way for you to see what was the price on a specific day. So let's quickly go over here to the chart as well. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So now, if we have a look at Apple here, you can see that if I zoom in a little bit, let's make it a little bit bigger, you see you have all these weird looking candles. And now what I would like you to focus on is this area up here, okay? So what you can see here is that when I hold my mouse on any specific day or candle, let's say the 26th of March, can you see that? The open price is 120.35, the high of the day was 121.48, the low of the day was 118.92, and the closing price 121.21. And you see here, if we zoom in a bit more, that you have the wick down here. So the candle opened over here, went all the way down to this point there, all the way up to this point here, and then it closed over here, basically. Yeah? So I hope that makes sense for you. So that's really, and then the red is just the vice versa. You can now see if I hold on this candle, you see it changes when I go from candle to candle. When I hold on the red candle, you see that the O, the opening price, is 122.82, but the closing price is 120. So that means that the price went down in value. All right, so that's really how you can read those candles. So The last thing we want to show here is, I think that's pretty much it, right? And now what we can do, now we can look at those candles and see day to day what patterns are being created, so we can apply that to our strategy. So a bit shorter video, but I hope you get a good understanding for how candlesticks really work. So if you like these videos, if you like what you're seeing, then please comment below. Are you looking at candlesticks today? Do you like the videos? Would you like to see something different? Comment what you like us to cover a video on, and we would be more than happy to do that. So press the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Press the like button as well if you enjoy these, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.